وبالوالدين إحسانا إما يبلغن عندك الكبر أحدهما أو كليهما فلا تقل لهما أف ولا تنهرهما. Never say to your mom, you see how small it is. Never say to your mother, I am tired. Never say to your mother, leave me alone. Never say to your mother, no. وَكُلَّهُمَا قَوْلًا كَرِيمًا. And know how you address them. When you are talking to them, remember you are talking to a mother. Remember you are talking to a father. Come down. No matter who you are.